In this video, you'll learn how to add a custom ringtone to your Google Pixel 9. By the end of this guide, you will successfully set a personalized audio file as your ringtone, enhancing your device's notification experience. Begin by transfer or downloading the audio file you wish to use as a ringtone. It is recommended to save this file directly in your device storage, preferably within the ringtones folder. Ensure that the audio format is supported, such as MP3, as this will allow the system to recognize the file. Proper placement of the audio file ensures that it is detected during the next steps. Next, navigate to the Settings app on your Google Pixel 9. You can find the Settings icon in your app drawer or by swiping down from the top of the screen and tapping the gear icon. Once you are in the Settings menu, scroll down and tap on Sound and Vibration. This section contains various sound settings for your device. After accessing the sound and vibration settings, look for the option labeled Phone Ringtone. Tap on this option to view a list of available ringtones. You will see both default tones and any custom tones you have added. Scroll through the list to locate the audio file you transferred or downloaded earlier. This allows you to customize your ringtone according to your preference. Once you find your custom ringtone, tap on it to select it. If prompted, confirm your choice to apply the ringtone. This action sets the new ringtone for incoming calls. To ensure it works correctly, you may want to test it by calling your device from another phone. This confirms that your custom ringtone is now active and functioning as expected. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.